Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the incredible Hikenture Collapsible Wagon, a versatile and heavy-duty folding wagon with an impressive 330-pound capacity and an extra-large storage space of 36.2 by 21.7 by 15 inches, perfect for all your outdoor adventures and daily needs. This wagon is designed for convenience, boasting the smallest folding size for easy storage, collapsing down to just 9 by 11.4 by 24.4 inches, making it a breeze to fit in your car trunk, closet, or garage. Built with a strong steel frame and removable, thickened Oxford fabric, it ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the included cover protects it from dust and moisture. The all-terrain wheels, along with 360-degree front wheels and a flexible telescoping handle, provide smooth transport across various surfaces, making navigation effortless. Delivered fully assembled, the clever pull rope design allows for quick setup, making it an indispensable tool for transporting groceries, camping gear, or laundry. Whether you're heading to the beach, garden, or supermarket, this wagon is your go-to solution for handling heavy loads with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.